biotechnology is a branch of biology which deals with the living organism bioprocessing in engineering technology, which is used for making the bioproducts. It is a branch of science that deals with the biological source as a raw material and use the microbes and animal and plant in use to develop the new product. It has been discovered. It is being first used by Karl Laker. Is an Hungarian engineer agriculture with his father of biotechnology, Karl Laker. Now, in this, the pharmaceutical biotechnology is a branch of science which use the formulation of different pharmaceutical dosage from drug medium capsule. Basically, for example, human insulin, antibiotic, amoxicillin, and all. Here, the raw material is microbe or bacteria. We'll use the technology and pharmaceutical thing in order to develop the drug. Now, the branches of biotechnology is, for example, the trick is हम environment में गए and plant and animal को देखा and industrial भी setup. Now उस इंडस्ट्री सेटअप होगा तो उसके से मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम्स लोग को होने लगी, फैसिलिटीज चाहिए, ठीक है. इसलिए एनिमल मेडिकल बायोटेक, इंडस्ट्रियल बायोटेक, environmental biotech, plant biotech. In animal biotech, this deals with the development of transgenic plants and all species. Gene plus vector form recombinant DNA. Medical biotechnology is known as red biotechnology. This is the diagnosis of various diseases occur. Here, the large scale production of various drug hormones, insulin occur. Vaccine is basically polio and rabies and growth hormone. Development of antibiotic. Industrial biotechnology in this deals with the, it is also known as wide biotechnology. It deals with the commercial production of various useful organism substances such as penicillin, streptomycin, and all. Now, environmental biotechnology is detoxification of waste and treatment of the sewage water. Plant biotechnology is the development of transgenic plants and all. Objective of biotechnology is formulation of the safer and pure stable drug. We can make the transgenic plant antibiotic, vitamins, hormones, growth hormones, organic substances, or hormones that are safer and stable in nature. Includes standardization like monoclonal antibodies formation and chemotherapy and gene therapy. It can be used. Recombinant DNA technology is basically a combination of desired gene to the vector to form the recombinant DNA. Chimeric DNA, it is transferred to the host. Gene is a fragment of DNA that trait or trait को control basically करता है. For from the human insulin. Gene therapy is a treatment in which there is gene is with the gene that is missing or not in the normal function. It is not normal functioning. We'll use to replace it. For example, normal gene is a gene missing here, then we'll remove the abnormal gene by normal gene using the gene therapy. In this, in 1990, there is a girl from suffering from SCID, the severe combined immunodeficiency, because of deficiency of ADA gene. Now this decreases the immunity. Therefore, we use the retrovirus and introduce the ADA gene